10993-1 is a standard that outlines all the different assessments that are required to look at safety. We're looking at allergenicity, we're looking at irritation, we are assessing cytotoxicity, which is a really sensitive test to look at the ability for a device to cause cell death. We also look at implantation, and if it's a device that's being implanted in the body, are there localized or systemic responses to the implantation? Without 10993 testing, the FDA or other regulating bodies will not approve your sample or your device to get to market. So it's important that you have a successful protocol that outlines all the specifics that are required according to the ISO 10993 standard, and that we execute. The work that we perform in vivo requires an entire team of folks to support the testing. So we have accredited veterinarians, accredited ophthalmologists, we have accredited individuals that come in and support our testing. We are able to typically put on tests very quickly, and we're able to turn those reports around quickly as well, so that we can meet the timelines that have been provided by the customer so that they could get their submissions into the FDA. During the entire process, our study directors are working directly with the customer, and they provide insight and collaborate with our customers to ensure that we're meeting their needs. At IUVO, we are not only accredited to ISO 17025, we're also accredited to GLP under ANAB, and we also have undergone several audits each year. We are audited by FDA, we're audited by other regulatory bodies, and we have a very successful audit record. Our data collection is obviously of the utmost importance. We are positioned to follow up with our customers on a routine basis. So the expectation that we share with our customers is that as data becomes available, we notify them. If there is an unexpected or unfavorable finding, we will notify them, and then we'll discuss the path forward. What are the plans to address that unfavorable finding? Many times, even if you have a study failure, you're able to use your other tests to leverage and move forward with the process. We have a competitive advantage because we have our chemistry group, our consulting group, as well as our toxicology group that performs the biocompatibility under one roof. If we have a challenge that we have to address, we reach out to our consultants who have decades of experience in the biocompatibility world, and they help support what next steps may be. Our chemistry group works very closely with the biocompatibility group as well, because chemistry performs our 10993-18 work. And that 10993-18 work results in understanding what toxins are coming out of a medical device. Using that information, our consultants are able to provide a test plan to us. When we wrap that up into one package, that would be submitted to the FDA.